Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing this simple look. I don't know, I just spontaneously just created it. If you guys want to recreate it, just keep on watching, and hopefully you guys like it, and leave some comments down below. Let's begin. So I'm gonna do this eye. So we'll start off with, let's see, I already put the base, which my base, obviously you guys know I use this one because it's the best one. It's the P. Louise primer. So I'll be taking that one, and then I placed it all over my lid. So after that, I'll be taking this one from the palette, Tropical. I'll be taking from all these, where's my brush? This one, where is that? This one. So I'll be taking that one and placing it all over. Let me see. Closer. Okay, so after when I put that, I'm gonna just this color, I'm just gonna start it off in the inner, and then just you're trying to just pack in the color right where your crease is at. So basically all this, but I don't want to do swiping motions because you're gonna get a lot of fallout, eyeshadow fallout. So just kind of pack it in, and I'm going to move on to a different jawbreaker, and I'll be taking, wow, this one, and then I'll be placing that all over my lid. I'll take the same brush too. So you're gonna start it off with the top color and just slightly just kind of blend it. What I'm trying to get to is get a blue base. This one's the Morphe 35B from Morphe, and that one I'm going to take this blue one right here, this one. So hopefully you guys can see that, but I'll be taking that one. This one's the one that's gonna make the color, I guess, pop, or maybe gonna be placing that color all over this one. And I look straight, so it won't make like that ugly crease. And then just kind of just blend everything together. Now you would see like it's a very harsh line, but we will fix that in a bit. The thing I want to do is just have that precise color. So look back, yeah, it looks okay, cool. So then after that, I'll be taking I guess like a neutral color. It's more like I would say, I don't even know where I got this one. I think it's from Makeup Geek, but it's this little pot. So it's like a, I don't know, like a yellow color. So that one, I'm gonna take a more of a, like a fluffier, fatter brush with no product in the brush. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to just kind of disperse that harshness line all around. Not too much, just a little bit, because you don't want to lose all that work that we just did. And I use a bigger brush because since I have very small lids, it kind of covers my whole, see, it covers like my whole eye. So after you do that, I'm gonna take the little bit of the yellow tone and I'm just gonna kind of very lightly just color it in. I don't want to have like a very bright yellow. It's more of a, obviously yellow and blue make green, so if you could really see, it kind of looks green. So I'm gonna put a little bit more on this, and I think I went a little harsher. So I'm going to be taking from Makeup Geek, I'll be taking this one, this color, this one's Sweet Dreams, and that one I'll be taking my sugar, liquid sugar. It's this little, I guess this little bottle of like, it's not liquid sugar, it has something in it that doesn't make, it's not water, that makes your pigments turn into like eyeliner. So I'll be taking a small little brush and I'll be taking that color and dipping it in. You have to do this mixing, like a little bit of the eyeshadow and then a little bit of the liquid. And once you mix it all together, it will give you like a consistency of eyeliner. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's so hard doing a YouTube video and then showing you guys because it's like you gotta know who you're putting your eyes. So that one, I'm just gonna be doing the small lid that I have. So then be very careful because once you open your eyelid, open your eye, the eyeshadow is gonna go all over your hard work. I've always had this, like this is like my thing, you know. It's the eyeliner, and it's always been that little eyelid that I have that makes my eye look. Like anybody that knows me knows that I always do this. Not do like exactly the same color, it's just my thing. Like the whole using the sugar liquid. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I have the AC on and I'm about to get ready for work. And it's super hot. Over here in the valley, it's been like over what, 90, 80s. My eyeliner, like always, obviously, I'm gonna use the Morphe Jet Black. I just recently bought some new products from Ulta, so I don't know if I should do a unboxing of all the products that I got. I mean, there's some that they're new, and then some that are just I need a restock on them. But hopefully I don't block you guys, but it's this color. It's like a combination of blue, but green, or baby blue, like a baby blue. So that one, I'm gonna put it under my waterline and hold on. Like this. And I'll be placing that underneath my waterline. And I'm gonna just pack it in. Oh shit. I think I have to put more eye drops because my eyes are getting red. Eyelid to be a little bit more softer instead of harsh, have that harsh line. And I'll be using my matte finish mist. I usually, when I want my pigments to be super bright, I just spray a little bit. And then I'll be taking from Jawbreakers, I'll be taking Jawbreaker, this white one that's all the way, it's like a shimmer, very, very pretty color. It's weird because once you put it on your eyes, it kind of complements any color that you're using. So I'll be taking that and I'm going to do the inner. So what I want to do is just kind of pack it in the middle, but also just kind of smear it. Dry up, because the worst thing for me is when once my eyelash for the inner corner starts lifting, and I would say 9 out of 10 times my eyelash would always lift, and that's super annoying because it just messes up your whole look. And then it's hot outside and I have to wear that damn mask, and it's just no bueno for my eyes. Literally. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Morphe eyeliner just so I can complete the look, because since I put the glue on, it has like a shimmer tone to it and I don't like it. So I'm just gonna like kind of cover it a bit, so I'll do a little bit on the other side.